We're going to use the log laws to write as a single logarithm the expressions below. Here, both bases are the same, so our laws do apply. In this case, the first law here. Log to the base 3 of 24 plus log to the base 3 of 2 is log to the base 3 of 24 times 2, which is log to the base 3 of 48. In part B, again the bases are the same, so the laws above apply. In this case, number 2. We can rewrite this as log to the base 7 of 35 divided by 5. And this is log to the base 7 of 7. If we consider the definition of logarithms, that a to the b equals c is equivalent to log to the base a of c being equal to b, then if log to the base 7 of 7 is x, it follows that 7 to the x is 7. And here it's clear that x must be equal to 1. So this is 1. This leads us to another law of logarithms, that log to the base a of a is always equal to 1. If we look at this expression, the first thing we can do is add together the contents of the bracket using law 1. So we get log to the 3 24, take away 2, log to the base 3 of 4 times 2. This is log to the base 3 of 24, take away twice, log to the base 3 of 8. Using the third law on this one, we can see that 2 log to the base 3 of 8 will become log to the base 3 of 8 squared. So we have log to the base 3 of 24 take away log to the base 3 of 64. And using the second law now, this becomes log to the base 3 of 24 divided by 64. All we need to do now is cancel down, and this gives us 3/8.